Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you master all things e-commerce. In today's tutorial, we will be showing you how to set up and install Facebook Pixel on your Shopify store. Facebook Pixel is an essential tool that can help you track and optimize your Facebook ads, and by the end of this video, you will be able to set it up like a pro. So, let's dive right into it. On the bottom left corner, you will see that you have data sources option. Once you click on it, you will see you have your pixel. After that, easily just come middle of the screen and click on add icon. So here you are going to add and create, actually you are going to create a Facebook pixel first of all. Then you will go ahead and tell Shopify to connect with this Facebook profile. Obviously you need to log in with your profile, log in with your Facebook profile on Facebook business account. After that, it will ask you some few options. As you can see over here, connect website activity using pixel. So you can name pixel anything you want, obviously. And for this tutorial is just a random. And you can see the second option is check your website for easy setup options. Obviously it's optional, uh, obviously optional menu. If you want to add something over here, you can just do that. Otherwise just click on continue bottom right corner. After that, you will end up over here, and you can see over here on the top your pixel isn't ready to use yet. Are you ready to set up your pixel? So obviously we are here to set up, right? So click on set up the pixel now, and here we are. As you can see, we have three options over here to connect website activity using pixel. So you can choose either three of them, and the first one is add code using a partner integration, and this is the one which we will use. And you can see in the description of this first option is connect your site using one of our many partners including Squarespace, WordPress, Shopify, which we will use, and others. There are more. The second option is manually add pixel code to website. If you want to go ahead and do that, you can also do that as well. The third option is email instruction to a developer if you don't have the direct access to your site code. Obviously there are some developers out there. And send instruction and documentation to your technical support if someone else is using your website and developing it. So Pixel can provide the through the email if you want. But for this tutorial, I'm going with the first option, add code using a partner integration. Obviously we are going to use this option. So as you can see over here, as I told you before, there you have so many options over here to select. But obviously for this tutorial we are talking about Shopify, so we are going with the Shopify option. Otherwise, if you're using something else, you can choose anyone over here, and these are some partners. You can go ahead. And now as you can see, everything is ready on Facebook business page, and we have created our pixel. Now we are going to open Shopify account, and from there we are going to add integration for pixel, Facebook pixel, and we are going to add details over there. Whatever the account you have logged in business account from Facebook, you are going to tell exact same details over there on Shopify. Let me show you how. So as you can see, I'm at Shopify store, and the first thing you need to do, you need to click on online store. Once you click on online store, we have so many options over here. The last one is preferences, and I'm going with that. After that, just wait for a while. It will open up some menu and options over here, and scroll down until you see Facebook pixel. So as you can see over here, connect your pixel with Facebook app. The app ensures proper setup while enabling advanced tracking options and other features that can help you target new and existing customers. So click on setup Facebook, obviously, and you will end up in the app store of Shopify. Click on add app and wait for a while. It would take you over here where you can just easily see that it's going to be linked with your Shopify account, Facebook, Instagram. And after that, click on easily add sales channel. After that, you will see something like this, and you can easily set up your Facebook account over here. As you can see, connect account. You need to connect your account over here. Whatever your account have in Facebook pixel, by the way. So remember that same account should be necessary. So once you done that, after that you will have to add business assets over here. Connect the business you'd like to sell from your shop. You will be able to manage how customers can access your shop later. So you might have multiple shop over here, and might have Facebook page also over here, but obviously we are talking about the particular one which we are talking about, Shopify store. So you can just connect that from over here, and you must have maybe a Facebook page, so you can also connect that over here also. Once you done that, you will click on data sharing, and this is somehow you will see something like this, and you have three options over here: conservative, enhanced, and maximum. So what it is, this is asking us, like Shopify is asking us, that how much information you would allow Facebook to have. Conservative, like minimum, medium, or maximum. It's all on you, whatever you are going for. But for e-commerce, maybe you should go for the maximum, because Facebook can easily then track your Shopify customers. After that, you will click on terms and conditions and click on submit for review. After that, once you set up every single thing, you will see something like this, and it will say that shop on Facebook. If you have any shop on Facebook, it is in review, but we connected Facebook pixel for a reason, right? Because we want Facebook pixel to track our customers. So you can see on the second option, run ads on Facebook and Instagram. Even though you can just easily track that for forever. Right now there is nothing on review. If you have your Facebook pixel account, just go ahead and click on yes, you have done. So here we are. As you can see, connect your Shopify account to Meta. So you can just click on I have completed the setup on Shopify, because we have done every single thing over there, and click on next. You will end up over here, and you can just easily connect your account detail over here, like your Shopify URL, and you can see that is it active or not. And sometimes it would take some time, so don't get panic. Just enter your store URL over here, and it will say that it is active, like this. As you can see, click on next and confirmation. Easy. So there you have it. You just learned how to set up and install Facebook Pixel on your Shopify store. Remember, Facebook Pixel is an important tool that can help you track your ads and optimize your campaigns for maximum success. With this tool at your disposal, you will be able to make data-driven decisions to take your e-commerce business to the next level. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, feel free to leave a comment down below with any questions or any feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.